I should put some topside on it. Look at it? Don't you look at it?
Talk to Daddy. He's got the money.
What does she want? Not right now, Chick. Come on. Are you kidding me?
Kate, you're going on a big diet when you get a girlfriend. You gotta go on a healthy diet.
Huh. Remember the next time we go out on the boat. Oh, now I'm fine. I look old.
Tell me it's embarrassing with that thing on.
Turn the sun off. That's right.
No. No.
I'll do it with my